Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and today is Thursday. I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. So we have a 3-layer cake. First layer is our routines. Second layer is our basic weekly plan. Today is Errand Day. Third layer is zone. The zone we're in today is zone 4, the master bedroom, master bathroom, master closet. So let's start with the routines. First thing we're going to do is our morning routines. After that, our children's routines. Then we're going to go right into the laundry routine and the paper routine if we are at home Fly Babies. If we're payroll Fly Babies or payroll lions, then when you go to work, you're going to know that when you come home, you're going to start your laundry and go through a little piece of an inch of your paper, right? Then after that, we're going to do, if you're at home or working, the next thing is for routines is the after dinner routine and the before bed routine, which we'll go into detail in just a minute. Okay, so routine's done. Next thing is the basic weekly plan. It's errand day. Well, errand day is outside of the house. So we always want to, for time management purposes, do the things in the same place first. So we're going to do our zone first, and that is 5 to 10 minutes of deep cleaning in the master bedroom or 15 minutes of decluttering. So go on in there and take care of that. Remember to declutter, we need 3 things: a throwaway, put away, and giveaway box, bag, or container. And at the end of the throwaway, put away, and give away 15 minutes, we're going to complete the process by actually throwing away, putting away, and putting the giveaway in the back of the car. Don't leave it sitting for later. It will reassimilate. Do it now. Be a member of the Do It Now Club. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and leave. We're going to do our errands. So you've got your grocery list from yesterday. You know all the things that you need to do. You've looked at your planner, so you know what you're going to be doing when you're out and about. Make a plan of where you're going to go, how your circuit's going to be, so that if you're buying groceries out, you end up with the groceries and then bring them home. If you're working, then you're going to order your groceries today online, or plan on delegating that to someone or doing it Saturday, okay? And that's it. Now, once everything is done, enjoy the rest of the day. When you come home from work or when you come home from doing errands, we're going to run a clutter check, just like we did in the morning. I didn't mention it, but there's a clutter check every morning and a clutter check every afternoon and a clutter check before bed. Clutter check is not inspecting what you expect. That's checking on the jobs that you've given your children that you expect them to do, and inspecting them, make sure that they happen. Clutter check is for mindless clutter that our family tends to leave laying around, including ourselves. So we're doing a quick clutter check just to make sure that we're not rebuilding clutter in areas of our house that make it so difficult to declutter later. Okay? All right, then we have our before bed routine. That's what we're going to focus on now. So we've done the master bedroom, we've done our errands, everything's done for the day. So now we're going to, after dinner, have the after dinner routine, and then we're going to have our before bed routine. So it starts with, for the children, a 30-minute reminder and a 5-minute reminder. And then they pick up their toys and their clutter, put it away, whatever they were playing with. They put their dishes either in the dishwasher or wash them in some soapy water that you provided. And then they go pick out their pajamas, pick out a book, and go get ready for bed, which includes taking their bath, washing their hair, washing their face, brushing their teeth, putting their dirty clothes in the dirty clothes, putting on their pajamas, wiping out the sink if there's toothpaste in it, hanging up their little hand towel and their towels, all the toys out of the tub. The bathroom looks like it looked when they went in. If they're old enough, you're going to inspect what you expect. If they're young enough, you're going to assist them with that. And then bedtime is story time, and then they're off to sleep. Next is you. Now you're going to start with taking care of your body. So we're going to go into the bath. We're going to go in our bedroom first. After looking at our planner to see what we need to wear tomorrow, we're going to hang up the clothes that we're going to wear for tomorrow. The shoes, the jewelry, everything you need. Then you're going to go in the bathroom. You're going to wash your face, brush your teeth, comb the day out of your hair, take a bath or a shower if that's what you do now. You might take that in the morning, that's fine. Put on your pajamas, put your dirty clothes away. If they're clean, hang them up. If they need to air out, air them out. If you need to take a spot off of something before you put it in the wash or hang it back up, take care of that now. Do it now. All right, then after you've taken care of yourself, the bathroom looks nice, just the way it looked when you came in. Hopefully that was nice. Then you're going to go into the rest of the house. You're going to make sure your dishwasher is running, or that the last bits of dishes have been put in the drain rack to drain, and everything looks shiny. You've wiped out your sink, put out a new towel, you've closed all the curtains, everything that needs to be done. You've checked your planner one more time, and then you go to bed in a timely manner so that you get your 6, 7, 8, or 9 hours of sleep that you require. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful.